Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Brawl Stars on your PC. Since Brawl Stars is a mobile game, you cannot play it directly in a web browser. The only way to enjoy this exciting game on a larger screen is by using an Android emulator. This specialized software creates a virtual Android environment on your computer, allowing you to run mobile applications seamlessly and enjoy the full experience. To begin, you will need to choose a reliable Android emulator. Popular options like BlueStacks, LD Player, or MEmu offer excellent performance for gaming. Before downloading, ensure your computer meets the minimum requirements, typically needing at least 4 GB of RAM and 5 GB of free disk space. Visit the emulator's official website, download the installer, and follow the simple on-screen instructions to complete the installation process. Once your emulator is successfully installed, launch it and complete the initial setup, which usually involves signing in with your Google account. This crucial step grants you access to the Google Play Store. Navigate to the Play Store within the emulator, search for Brawl Stars, and then click to install the game. The download and installation process will be very similar to how you would install an app on an actual Android phone. After installing Brawl Stars, you can further optimize your experience. Access the emulator's settings to adjust performance, such as resolution and frame rate, for smoother gameplay. Most emulators also allow you to customize keyboard and mouse controls, providing a more precise and comfortable way to play. Now you are fully ready to enjoy Brawl Stars on your PC with improved visuals and superior control.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.